Previously on Gunshot.
Commander, send reinforcements in.
What?
About taking my sword.
To be continued.
Tonga Gunshot, where are you? Tonga? Gosh, you said send reinforcements in, so where are you?
Hey, sir? Who are we trying to find?
We're trying to find Tonga.
Wait, you mean that awesome, YouTube channel called Tonga Bonga?
No, I mean, the channel is awesome, but not that Tonga. Tonga Gunshot. First name Tonga, last name Gunshot. There's a difference. Okay? So come on, stop horsing around. Goodness, I don't even know where he is. There's a door right there.
Is he in there?
What is that? Is that a teddy bear? Looks like a giant teddy bear. I've never seen one of those in my life. I don't even believe what I'm seeing. What? That's Tonga. He's dead. No. He was the best soldier we've had.
Hey, that offends me. I'm good too.
Oh, shut up. You know you suck. I don't even know why I hired you. Okay, sorry. That was me. That was too far. Sorry. What are we gonna do? Oh, crap. They're right there. Come on. We gotta go. They're coming in from all angles. Come on. Gosh, teddy bears. They're coming in from all angles. Let's go. Come on. They're coming. We gotta go. Go.
Hey, Commander? So are we just gonna leave Tonga Gunshot here?
We'll come back for him later and bring him back to health if we even can. Just come on. It's too dangerous right now. Gosh. He wasn't kidding when he was talking about a new species. Gosh.
Okay, you already know what I'm gonna say. But to be continued. Okay? You guessed it. Great job.